Hey guys, today let's learn how to face swap or swap faces on a photo on your laptop devices for free using AI. So if you want to go ahead and do this in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and basically prepare the specific images that I want to go ahead and use, or just a specific image of this person. And what I want you to also utilize is an application or a software which is going to use, of course, AI. So I'm going to search for AI face swap on the internet, and I'm going to use something called Art Guru. This is also an easy to use face swap that is going to be basically for free to use, but I also do recommend something from the website called Fodor. I'm going to basically open both of these and show you guys what the differences are. As you see from here, I'm going to tap on face swap now. We can actually choose an image to basically face swap to. In this case, I'm going to first of all download the specific image that I want to go ahead and use. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and download an image that I'm going to go ahead and use as well for this video. In this case, I'm going to use maybe this and just go ahead and right click this and save image on my PC. Make sure, of course, first that the image is going to be a JPEG file or something that we could actually use on our devices. All right, this is going to be perfect. We're going to go ahead and hop onto the FaceSwap or Fodor.com website and tap on upload content. Proceed with uploading the desired or just the newly downloaded photo that you want to go ahead and use. And from here, you can actually just wait for this to finish its loading process. And once it is already done, we can actually now go ahead and use that photo to put on different faces. As you see here, the step one is to just upload your content to use as the base, upload another portrait photo whose face will then be extracted, and then proceed with face swapping those two photos. As you see, we have now our first face, wherein we can actually see that the AI has already detected where the face is. What we need to do next is to actually choose another photo that we are going to use to swap the other face to the other photo. So in this case, I might just choose any random photo on Google on here, and I might just choose maybe this person right here. Of course, you could choose real images and some paintings as well if you prefer to. I'm gonna go back onto the website and tap on upload face right here. Choose the photo that you just downloaded that you want to go ahead and swap the faces to. Tap on start swapping, and you do need to go ahead and first log into your account, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to just tap on the X button to see if that is possible, and I do see that you do need to go ahead and log in first. So it's just gonna be pretty quick and easy. Go ahead and tap on sign in with Google and choose your preferred Google account, because by doing that option, it's gonna be pretty easy with just a few clicks to proceed with using the Fodor website. Of course, in this case, you could actually go ahead and proceed as well with availing their subscription plan so that you could use the credits per month, but that's the only downside with using Fodor, that you do need to basically avail one of the subscription plans to use their website. But that is why I also opened this option over here to basically use artguru.ai to face swap, because you can actually go ahead and face swap using any photo you'd like, just tapping on the upload that I just did a while ago, tapping on generate. And as you see, it's that easy to basically go ahead and face swap your current photo with the current photo that you have right here. Wait for this to finish its loading, and you should have your final product already done. And as you see on here on the right-hand section, you can actually choose some base photos to choose or to use to basically swap the faces of, and you can also upload your own photo right here on this section. So that's basically for this video, guys. Art Guru is one of the best free online face swap AI softwares that you can actually use online for free, and as you see, the result is going to be generated when it's already done. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. Take care. This is How To Tech and Tutorials.